Alright, I'm getting down to the last couple of phases of my solar project. I've got the unit strut mounted to the shed. Then in my next video I did mounting and wiring the solar panels at series parallel to the unistrut. My next two steps are to mount my new batteries to the RV, and then my last step will be connecting it all together with the charge controller. In this part I'm going to connect these two large batteries I'm going to do them in parallel. So I've got a couple of cables here. As you can see, one end will go on a post and the other end has a lug. I was able to get some coated terminals, which is nice because they're marked positive and negative, and then they have a 5/16, I believe, lug on them, so that should work out pretty well. I'll go show you where I'm going to place those. Just here on my tongue, I'm going to put them underneath this dome here. So once I moved all that, I've got a pretty decent area. So here's the ground, and then here's the positive connection here going into I guess it's a little bus bar, and then feeding inside. Okay, after removing several items and cutting a couple pieces of 2x4 to length, I've got a decent area to set the batteries, so I'm going to go grab them. And I think at this point I can set them side by side with the post here at the top, so let's see how that goes. Alright, if you saw any other of my videos on this solar installation, you might have saw my super awesome diagram. So I'm going to use this portion of it to show you. So here's positive terminal, negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal. And I need to hook the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. And then I will then hook the positive wire into the RV on the positive side on this battery. And then I will hook the ground negative wire on the opposite battery. This is how I'm going to do that. So I can connect these to the terminals, and then that gives me these little posts to be able to connect all the wiring that's already on the RV, and then I'll be able to hook these 2-gauge wires that I'm going to use to hook the batteries together in parallel. One will go on one post, and then the other one will go onto this little post. So those look pretty good on there. Now that I've got those in place, I'm going to first connect the positive to the positive, as you generally do when connecting batteries. Positive to positive's done. As you can see, the clamp for the terminal is clamped on there. I did that nice and snug, and then that goes over here to the little post now, so that worked out really well. As you can see, these are all on lugs, so they'll have to clip on there. I'm going to go ahead and do the same with the negative side now. Okay, we got the negative side on now, and they are now in parallel. I'm going to have my lovely assistant hit the multimeter on here. Go ahead.
Positive, negative.
So we're at 12.76 with the two combined. I put the multimeter on each of those batteries before I connected them in parallel, and one was at 12.77 and one was at 12.76. So now that they're both combined, it was kind of fluctuating between 7.7 and 7.6. But it looks like everything's all good now, and I'm going to go ahead and just for a test run, I'm going to take and connect the RV to those terminals as well, and just make sure everything inside is still good now that I've hooked up these two new batteries. So now I have it connected to the RV with the positive here and the ground there. I'm going to go inside, and if everything's all good, it should I should be able to turn on the 12-volt system. Let's see. So here's my ceiling lights. Nice. Okay, I'm going to actually not run anything now because I don't want to drain that battery while it's not connected, but I should be able to turn on my porch light.
Loading.
Nice, huh?
Nice electricity.
Right? So I went ahead and disconnected the RV because I'm going to now mount the charge controller inside and then get that mounted or wired to the battery and then get the whole system tied together. So thanks for coming along for my video on wiring my 2 RV batteries in parallel, which is all part of my larger solar system project. If you're curious, stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to do the charge controller mounting and hookup, and the system will be complete after that. Thanks for coming along. Stay safe and stay sane out there.